In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Keep link in just 5 minutes. Google Keep is a fantastic tool for organizing your notes, ideas, and lists, and sharing these notes can be incredibly useful for collaboration, whether you're working on a group project or just planning your next family vacation. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps to share a note from Google Keep with someone else. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Keep. You can do this by entering the URL keep.google.com directly into your address bar, or you can navigate to Google Keep from the Google Apps menu. If you're using Chrome and have already logged into your Google account, you should see an icon typically consisting of a square grid, known as the Google Apps icon, located at the top right corner of the window near your profile picture. Clicking on this icon will display a drop-down menu with all your available Google services. Now, once you are in Google Keep, you'll see your collection of notes displayed on the main page. Go ahead and click on the specific note you wish to share. Doing this will open the note and provide a more focused view, simplifying your task and making all the sharing options accessible. Next, you should locate the collaborator option within your open note. This feature is usually represented by an icon shaped like a person with a plus sign. By clicking on this, you'll be prompted to manage collaborators for this note. A screen will appear where you can enter email addresses or choose from your Google contacts to select the person or people you wish to share this note with. You can share it with individuals or even a whole Google group if that fits your needs. Enter the correct email addresses carefully to ensure the right individuals gain access. After inputting the desired email addresses, you will see an option to save, typically located at the bottom of this pop-up window. Click on Save to finalize your sharing settings. This action grants the specified people access to your note, and they will receive an email notification inviting them to collaborate with you on Google Keep. And there you have it, your note is now shared and you've successfully brought others into your circle for collaboration. Remember that sharing notes in Google Keep is a powerful way to enhance teamwork and streamline communication. Whether it's for business, a club, or personal use, sharing and collaborating on notes can make your projects more efficient and ensure everyone stays on the same page. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy organizing!